And finally, we move into chapter 7 and why parents often struggle with disciplining their children when they come from privileged households. The first reason is time is limited for these parents because they're at work most of the day and they don't get to see their children except in the morning and at night. So they don't want to spend their time disciplining their child. They want their child to like them and have fond memories of the time together, and they can't do that if they're always disciplining their child. In their mind, they can't have a balance of indulging them and disciplining them. The parents often don't want to waste time in conflict. They see it as a waste because they don't see the reward right away. However, if the parent spends a little bit of time disciplining their child when needed, that will help them grow into well-rounded, responsible people. So it's not a waste of time, but parents don't see that immediate gratification from it. And finally, the parents often feel guilty that they don't spend more time with their child, so they become overindulgent. They try to make up for lost time through gifts and giving into them, and it just creates a bad cycle between the parent-child relationship. Another reason parents might struggle with discipline is they're too tired to put in the effort for disciplining. It's been a long day and they don't want to deal with thinking through what consequence is appropriate and how to talk to their child about an issue. They just want to enjoy the night, and so they put it on the back burner, but they end up never approaching it. And finally, the last reason could be they're unsure of what consequences are appropriate for a given action. They don't spend a lot of time contemplating it or researching what effective parenting styles are. So because they're unsure, they just kind of forget it and they go along with what their child wants, and they give in to kind of a lazy habit, but not out of malicious intent. They're just unsure and they don't take that time to figure it out.